Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I thought that I'd make today a delicious cheesecake dessert, which is a fat bump, a keto fat bump. So this is our ingredient here, as you guys can see on this table. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 300 degrees. And then also let's get right into what our ingredients are. You're gonna need about 6 eggs, room temperature. You're gonna need 2 utensils to mix, one for the dry ingredient, one for the wet ingredient. And then you're gonna get your cupcake pan ready and set to go. And then here you're gonna need about 4 tablespoons of butter. Here you have cream cheese, and you're gonna need about 8 ounces as it says in the box. And then here you have 6 tablespoons of sour cream. What else you need? You're gonna need vanilla extract. The one I'm using, imitation vanilla flavor, because we really, as my belief, we cannot, in my belief, that we cannot use vanilla extract that is alcohol in it. So I have 2 different type. You can either get this one, and you guys can see it says alcohol free, or you guys can get this one. And then instead of using as Keto Connect, use sweetener drops. I'm gonna use they use stevia drops. I'm gonna use Swerve sugar replacement, and I might add a little bit of erythritol just to kind of see how the flavor mix together. And let's get ready. The first thing we're gonna do is warm up our cacao butter. This might take a little time, so be patient, and let's go and right ahead and put it in the microwave. Excuse me. Oops. I was gonna defrost some chicken for dinner that I was gonna eat. I will show you guys that in another video, but let's go ahead and put our cacao butter. I'm gonna start off with 1 minute and see how that goes. We'll be right back. All right, let's see how our cacao butter has melted. So you guys can see, it looks like that. You wanna stir it. If you don't stir it, it's gonna get a little bit hardened, so you wanna keep stirring it. Make sure that melts. Let's put it back in the microwave for another maybe 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get our cacao butter. As you guys can see, it's melted. We're gonna set this aside so it can cool down while we mix our wet ingredients. Okay, let's dive in to mix our wet ingredients. We're gonna use the bigger bowl. We're gonna crack up our eggs. Set that aside. We're gonna add our sour cream. We are also gonna add our vanilla extract, depending on which one we're gonna use. I'm gonna go ahead with this. Give me a second. I need to get you're gonna need a tablespoon of vanilla extract. I love the smell of the vanilla. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and mix it. Okay. We're also gonna add our cream cheese, but I wanna really get the mixture all in together. Then I'm gonna add my cream cheese into my bowl. So, but right now I just wanna mix that flavors together before I go ahead and use my room temperature cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature. I'll show you guys what I mean. Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly make this quick remarks. We lost some of our footage while we were recording, so by now I added the cream cheese already, and I also added about half a tablespoon of sugar, or the Swerve sugar replacement. So those are the two things that you need to do at this point after the previous clip. And then also I melted now 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is how it turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and add that 4 tablespoons into the cacao butter that's cooled now. And then we're just gonna mix. And then add to our mixture. So I'll make sure to write down the ingredient on the bottom of the link, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and mix it. As you guys can see, it's getting a little bit thicker. I want to add about 2 tablespoons of sweetener because I noticed when I taste a little bit of it after the cacao, it feels like sugar. You cannot taste the sugar replacement. So just to my tasting, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. And don't forget the chocolate is also bitter, so this is gonna give a good taste. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and add our dark chocolate chip. And just sort of just mix it so it doesn't set on the bottom of it. We're done. I know it's not as thick as the cheesecake. It's a little bit in the water side, but it's all right. It will once it's baked, it will inflame to a good size. Let's put this in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Set our timer. All right. I took them out of the oven. As you guys can see, they're rising down, and that's fine. It's normal. Don't worry about it. So you're just gonna let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes, even longer if you want, so that it has that consistent, firmness. Here, Yusuf. Aisha, as you guys can see, she loves it. She's already eating. Yeah. Cover your mouth. All right, that's it for now. You guys take care. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for that lost footage, but I hope you guys are able to make it to the best that you can. And the sugar is optional, so you guys can add or lessen the sugar. I also forgot to show you guys the consistency of it, and you guys can see that's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. You guys take care. Bye.
إذا ما قالني ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي